I'm Brian Barker, Chairman of the Suffolk Agriculture Association School Farm Fair, hosted here at Ipswich. Today's been a brilliant day. We've had 4,500 school children from 97 schools arrive and spend the whole day learning about food, farming and the countryside. The school children have opportunity to go round the showground where it's been broken down into different areas of interest.
So I'm Jason Salisbury from Suffolk Farmhouse Cheeses, and I'm on the committee which helped organise the whole event, but I'm generally based in the livestock zone. So we get any sort of farm animals down here, so which is the dairy cows and the beef cows, the sheep with the sheep shearing, and the ducks and the horses and the alpacas. Any animal which your children should expect to see on the farm, they will be here in this area. And the whole idea is for the kids to come along and speak to the farmer or speak to the exhibitor and ask as many questions as they possibly can.
I'm Robert England. I'm Farm Director at Boxer Suffolk Farms, and we're here today to show the children some examples of what we do in our business. And they will see pollination from the bumblebees. They'll also see the strawberry systems behind us and understand a bit more about what we do in our business.
My name's Jo Ricks. I'm the Learning Officer at the Museum of East Anglian Life. We come to the fair every year. We like to tell everyone what we do at the museum and to spread the word, but also to let them find out about food and farming in the past and have a hands-on experience.
Hi, my name's Ben Walker and I'm a community fundraiser for the East Anglian Air Ambulance. And we're here today to show off our nice helicopter to the school children and showcase what the air ambulance does on a day-to-day basis, and to give them the opportunity to come and meet our crew and maybe inspire them to become future pilots and future doctors and paramedics, and just teach them about the life-saving work the East Anglian Air Ambulance get up to.
Hello, I'm Guy Foskett from Foskett Willows, and I'm here at the school fair explaining to the children about willows and what goes into making a good cricket bat. Today we've shown them how the bats are made and why we are the only country that can supply the willow to the world.
Hello, I'm Oliver Pipe. I'm in charge of the Modern Farming Zone and coordinating the stewards and exhibitors in educating and inspiring the children into what we do in modern agriculture, the kinds of machinery we're using, how they work, with the hope that one day a few of those children will either be the technicians looking after the machinery or operating them on our farms to help produce the food that we all eat today.